Not sure if you can hear the wind or not, but I can. We are camped in Black Hills National Forest outside of Custer, a little north of Jewel Cave. And it's gorgeous, it's lovely here. We have a beautiful campsite, totally private, nobody around. It's lovely. So we have a few videos of Buddy the solar panels on top.
We'll get that.
Of us opening up the rooftop tent. And we thought we'd do another video of this. That is our Renogy. Whoa! All right, so we had.
You fall off it.
Yeah. Okay. So Roman does like to play on top of this rooftop tent, and he actually does help when we need to close it up. We have him sit on top of it to kind of help with the latches. So he was on top of it. Dan unlatched the back two pieces of it, and he must have moved, and he got pushed up a little bit. Luckily, he recovered quite well. And this is in real time, so this is literally how quick and easy it takes to set up a rooftop tent, minus your kid potentially falling off of it. But it literally, like, you unlatch the 4 little latches, it pops up. I'm pretty sure Roman's gonna go inside and push out the gas struts. Hopefully he doesn't fall out of it. Just thought we'd show it again in this video. I was mentioning there is our Renogy solar panel. It's flexible. It's wonderful. We recently camped out in Olympic National Park on the beach with like heavy marine layer and trees and things like that, and it kept a full charge. We were there for 5 or 6 days. We just detached the trailer and it charged our ARB refrigerator, our outlets for charging electronics and lights and headlamps and everything. So that solar panel is pretty incredible, amazing for the night. But there it is, the James Baroud rooftop tent. Beautiful Black Hills, unruly kids. Luckily it's cocktail time. We have a great dinner going. As you can see, this is our kitchen. Hi buddy, thanks for getting the tent set up. ARB refrigerator, which is charged from that solar panel. We have a cook partner stove. We have some sauce simmering there. Sink, all that good stuff. This is where we are. Her daughter, her sweet little girl, is playing solitaire. Hi Dan.
Hello.
Great place for hammocking. Luckily Roman didn't fall off the tent.
He's 6 and a little monkey. He's gonna do it.
Camp kitchen, of course. And for dinner, we are gonna do something super easy, but I think it'll turn out pretty good. We have store-bought Italian sausage ravioli and a store-bought pasta sauce. I'm not telling my kids because they always get offended when I buy pasta sauce, but that's what I'm gonna try to do tonight. And some canned Grecian eggplant with tomatoes and onions from Trader Joe's, some mozzarella. And going on the Greek theme, we do have wine from Greece. It's called Hoot, I believe. It's red wine, it's light, it is actually biodynamic. It's been hot today, so we thought a light red would be perfect, and we'll let you know how this dinner turns out. So here is the pasta sauce. The Trader Joe's, ooh, it's upside down. Eggplant, onions, tomatoes, little can thing, which I think is going to be really lovely and nice. So I'm just going to heat all that up together and kind of let it take care of itself. Maybe throw in some extra seasonings, but smells great, delicious. I think it's gonna be delicious. And then on top of the Italian sausage ravioli. So for dinner tonight in the beautiful Black Hills, we have our finished product, Italian sausage ravioli with some pomodoro sauce. And in that sauce, I threw in some canned eggplant, onions, and tomatoes. We've also sprinkled some fresh Italian flat leaf parsley on top, fresh mozzarella, and our favorite salt from Dario Cecchini. And this is our dinner. This is our view. Buon appetito. All right, Sydney, how was your dinner?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? You like?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
We just heard an elk, which is super cool.
I see an elk.
Someone's using his binoculars. Kids have had seconds on their dinner. Dan and I are taking our lovely time.
There's an elk.
There's an elk. Dinner has turned out well. And we're in this
Lovely area.
lovely area in the Black Hills.